Hello everybody, check this piece out today. We got a Johnny Lightning Chevy Camaro from, my cheat sheet says 1998. So yeah, pretty old Johnny Lightning here. So now this one might be a little longer video because there's more to look at. And if you can hear, if you know what that rattling means. But start on the front here. Can it focus without me? Autofocus, please, so you don't mess up the. Okay, got it. Come on. No, please don't do that to me. This is a very nice model. Oh, there we go. Wait. Okay. So on the front here, you see the Chevy bow tie is actually in this grill there. So it's pretty hidden in that little grill. Got the emblem on the hood here. Oh, and if I didn't have, this is a pace car. If I didn't say that, I just totally forgot to say that. Got the headlights tucked in there. They are painted. They're just hard to see. Turn signals. And then we can see that pinstriping along the front bumper and then up on the hood. Very nice pinstripes. I like the two-tone, black and white with the pinstripes to separate it. Very nice 5-spoke wheels. And yes, this is a pace car. If we can get some zoomage on the side. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. Pain in the butt. Modern technology. It's supposed to be good. But there we go. It's finally, after a year of focusing, official pace car. The 77th. Oh my god, I can't even read it with my eyes. It's so small. I think it says 77th. Let's get it focused again. You know what? We have to zoom out and zoom back in. We get it focused on the door and then zoom it back in. Okay, I'm learning. No, it's still blurry. Come on. Let's just give it a second. Come on. Alright, there we go. 77th. Got that much. Indianapolis. 500. May 30th, 1992, it looks like. Let me know if you see something different. That's what I can see. And of course, the Indianapolis 500 logo. And the Z28, Z28. Oh yeah, it is a Z28. What's that say up there? Is that just the Indianapolis logo? Yeah, it's just a logo. Without some words. But yeah, we got the pinstriping up the back fender. Do I gotta keep it zoomed in? I'm still working with this camera because it is picky. But on the back here, we got some very nice taillight details. Camaro, I think that says Camaro, it should say. Yeah, it says Camaro on the back there. Z28 on the bumper. And then we got the tails and reverse lights and some more pinstripes. License plate is... What's happening with the license plate back there? Oh, it's where the base connects to the chassis. To the body. Same details on this side. And guess what? Window banner again. Come on. Why are you a pain in the butt? Camaro. It will focus, it just takes it years, and we don't have years to wait. These videos are supposed to be quick. Black interior, clear windows. Can we get some zoomage in the interior? A little bit. Pretty detailed interior. As see probably if we can get it from the other side here. And it just doesn't, you can't really get a good view in there anyway. But it does have a metal base. 1993 Chevy Camaro, used under license. 1999. Oh, so it's a 93 Camaro, but this casting wasn't made until 99. So maybe this is a 2000 release. I don't know. My source says 98. Here it is on the road. I don't think in Indianapolis pace car would be on the dirt road. And of course, oh yeah, wait, rubber tires. Did I mention that? It does have rubber tires, 2-piece tires. But I think you guys really want to see the engine bay. So not the most detail as a paint job, but you can see that around the engine is flat black, and then the engine itself is chromed. So usually the whole engine wouldn't be chrome like that, but this is JL's way of pointing out details, and it looks good from afar. Hood shuts okay. Sticks up a little bit. You can see there, but that is it. That's a very great piece. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.